This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a rear parking aid, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, a traction control system, and an adjustable steering wheel. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for shopping at Robinson Brothers Ford, located at 11455 Airline Highway in Baton Rouge. Please contact our business development office at 225-293-8900 for special wholesale pricing. Give us an opportunity to earn your business.